Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to make someone a moderator on Discord, so let's get started. On your server, click the server name at the top left, then select Server Settings. In Server Settings, go to Roles. Click Create Role, name it Moderator or whatever you prefer, and choose a distinct colour. Toggle Display Role Members separately, on. Now for the crucial part, Permissions. And now choose the person you want to add as a moderator. Go to the Permissions tab for your new moderator role. Scroll down and enable permissions like kick members, ban members, manage messages, mute messages, and deafen members. Once done, click Save Changes. That's it. Your new moderator now has the power to help manage your server according to the permissions you've set. If this helped you out, please give this video a like, subscribe for more Discord tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.